Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking two essentials: your LG Web OS version and which connection method you used for the VPN. Open Settings, then All Settings, make sure you're on the correct input. Once done, navigate to Network. This is where the TV stores VPN or proxy entries. If the VPN came via a router or external app, pause and note that step. Otherwise, use your remote to highlight Network and press OK. This ensures you reach the place where VPN entries can be changed safely. Next, locate the actual VPN entry. In Network, choose Wi-Fi or wired, then Advanced or Proxy settings. Some models list VPN profiles in a VPN menu. Select the active VPN profile and either disable or delete it. That removes the routing rule. If the VPN was installed as an app, go to Apps, find the VPN app under System or Downloaded, then force stop and uninstall. Make sure to confirm prompts. Otherwise, the TV may keep routing traffic through the VPN. Finally, restart the TV to apply changes. You can use Settings General Restart or Power Cycle by unplugging for 10 seconds. After reboot, return to Network and verify the TV shows a local IP and your ISP DNS. This confirms the VPN is off. If you still see VPN DNS entries or blocked services, reset network settings first. As a last resort, perform a factory reset. It clears persistent VPN configs, but make sure you've backed up any personal settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.